This is the long demo of the Smart Light Light for CS122A. This is lithium-ion powered light that's wireless rechargeable, contains 20 white addressable LEDs and 5 red, green, blue addressable LEDs. It is turned on from a push button in the front. Dimming is controlled via a gyroscope. Z-axis movement will set 32 levels of dimming. It saves the state of the last brightness level it was at when you turn off. So when you resume power, it will remember this state. When on, it has a timer set that can be incremented in 4 stages by simply rotating clockwise or counterclockwise. The timer counts in 5-second intervals for demo purposes. When completed counting, the nightlight will be turned off. Wireless charging is handled with Q charging. Simply place the nightlight on the Q charging base and the nightlight will begin to charge. The yellowing, it has 3 status lights of different colors. Yellow means it's charging. If it was fully charged, it would be green, and if there was some kind of fault, it would change to red. The enclosure was designed in Fusion 360 and 3D printed by myself. You can simply remove the top like so, and it's kept in place by this top here for the case, which is just 1 millimeter shorter lengthwise on all sides from the base. Removing the screws, I'll show you more of the components that were used to create this. You can see there's 4 rows of 5 LEDs each. These are the white ones. This connects to the LEDs in the front panel. This connects the microcontroller to the lithium battery management ID so we can get the charge status from it. This connector connects the button in the front panel, and this connector here provides the power. There's a 4th connector that would have provided power and level shifting for the I2C bus to connect to Raspberry Pi, but that did not make it into the project. And that was an extra, that wasn't actually one of my milestones. This unit can be removed. And now you can see that there are 2 different microcontrollers. This microcontroller here controls all the sensors on the board and also is an I2C master for the I2C bus. This is the gyroscope, and currently it is being used to track Z-axis movement as was shown. This is the lux sensor. These are buffers for the lights, and this is the slave microcontroller that actually controls the LEDs via the SPI bus. This board here contains the power section. It consists of the lithium-ion battery, a boost converter for boosting the lithium-ion battery to 5 volts, a battery management IC for handling lithium-ion charging, a boost converter, this is a buck converter, sorry, a boost converter that converts the 19-volt Q charging input down to 5 volts. Here is the Q charging receiver control board, and underneath on the bottom is the coil that is used to receive the power. On the front panel here are the front panel LEDs, which you can see here, and there's one here low in this corner.